Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Quick shout out to all those watching the video today. Definitely appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys mash that subscribe button if you have not already. All you newbies out there, just make sure you stay to the end. We got a free ebook that we're revealing. The Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide has all our best kept secrets and trading strategies inside. Tons of facts and some key things you guys will need to know in order to make some money in this market. So I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's jump right into this breakdown real quick. Starting on the 4 hour here, guys. It's kind of simple to see what's happening here. I mean, we'll start with the direction that we've been traveling in. So we've been following a definite bearish trend. I mean, this is not perfect channel wall here by any means, guys, but you can see we've been bouncing back and forth inside this trend. You can draw it many different ways, breaking inside, outside. The point is we've been bearish. Now, if you look at another point of view, you can see how we broke down and consolidated time and time again, and then broke to the downside. And we broke down, consolidated, very small candles, retesting back to the upside, and then another breakdown. So we got a breakdown here, a big breakdown here. I mean, we're talking 15% there. And then we had another small corrective rally here, and we are seeing another breakdown. So our first target is always a complete retracement all the way down. So 3750 area is our first target, which we're just about there. If we do, this is what we're looking for, guys. We'll zoom in. Two situations here. But I want to note yesterday that we talked about this area right here finally getting a true retest. Finally getting an upside retest. This was really nothing clean here. This was a clean retest break. Retest break. But we finally got an MA retest as well. So we didn't only retest the zone that we broke. And we broke this low here with this candle. Retested it once on top of the 50 MA. Excuse me, the 20 MA. Retested again, closed as a hammer. Reversal candle. Retested a third time, closed as a hammer reversal candle. Before we saw the big drop to the downside. So we are already 10% back to the downside. So like I said, 3750 is next. We are expecting either this to hold or break. So we're going to see two situations. Either we're going to see this go through, retest, and keep going. Okay. Or we're just going to see it hold here. And then we're going to see a break back up to the upside and retest this area first. Okay, the double bottom. We're going to see it hold here, retest up, hold here, double bottom. If it decides to break, we'll see something like that. We will see a retest, and then we will see it try to make another wave to the upside. We've seen it fall 3 or 4 times in a row, guys. Hopefully we see some sort of corrective rally here. But these are the two situations. You're either going to see it break straight through and keep going and then make its way back up for a retest just like we saw here. Or we're going to see it hold on this 100% retest here back down to the double bottom. And then we'll see a move that could be taken to the upside for about 12%, 13% in this area. So it hasn't been really hard to trade Bitcoin. Those of you who know your resistance and your support areas, and a couple of simple reversal hammer candles. This is stuff we've talked about over and over again. These are all easy moves here, guys. Bitcoin's been rather unpredictable as far as what it's been doing just dropping out of the sky, but the moves are there. I mean, you're seeing the big candles to the downside, okay? Then you're seeing all these small candles trying to make its way back up. I mean, just for this candle to get covered, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, six candles just to get back up there. This is the powers to the downside. The big candles are to the downside. This is the kind of candle you want to see if you're going to see some upside action. But look what happened. This is not quite engulfing, but you saw it just get reversed and pushed right back down to the downside. The MAs are so far apart, it's just showing this downtrend is intact. I see further downside no matter what. I really think that, we don't see any real resistance until this area, 3,000. This is for me the only big area of rejection that I see. And I don't really think we're going to stop until we get there. So that's my opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not saying short this thing all the way down because, I shorted up here and I'm already out. I'm not being very greedy. I'm going to take what I can get from this market and keep my ears to the ground as far as the fundamentals and figure out what is going on, if there's sentiment change, if the market, if the feeling that people are having about Bitcoin is starting to change right now. Everybody's running scared, so you got to pick and choose your battles. If you guys are margin trading, be very careful because it is very risky. And those of you out there that are wondering what to be doing right now, if you don't know what to do, then you should have been in fiat a long time ago. If not, you should be buying these dips and buying your way in, not buying all at once, buying small pieces all the way down. I don't mean at Bitcoin, but I mean the huge Cyber Monday sale, if you will, on all of the major crypto that are valid projects that are currently working right now. XRP, for example, 35-cent region was a huge buying area for me. I bought a boatload, but I bought it all the way down. Can it go lower? Yes. Will it? I very seriously doubt it. We'll pop it up real quick. You guys, anybody who's been following me for a long time knows that, I'm hugely bearish on XRP. Let's look at all three of them. I've always been bearish on XRP in a big way. So I could see this. I mean, look to me, it just looks like a giant flag here, a bullish one. XRP Bitcoin, I can see this popping up and out of the upside. I mean, this is just such a great project. I mean, there's not only do they have hundreds, of great partnerships. It's the names that these people are dealing with. It's the names of the partnerships. It's the high level of companies that they're dealing with. I mean, some of the biggest on the planet. So XRP somewhere that I would definitely be holding my funds. I'd be buying all the way down. GNT is another one. XLM. I can go on and on. Maybe we'll do an episode tomorrow where I show my top 10 videos. So stay tuned for that one, guys, because that's what we're going to do. I'll go ahead and get pop out my top 5 or 10 tokens and coins, let you guys know why I love them, show you the charts, let you know where I'm buying, and then we'll go from there. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are being safe out there in those markets. Those of you who are brand new, make sure you go right down in the description below, the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. Click that link, get your free ebook, the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It's got a lot of tips and tricks inside there for you guys. And I want to make sure that you guys have all those keys that you need to make money in this market. So click that link, guys. There's also a free training series by Cody Sperber, the clever investor himself. So make sure you guys take advantage of that as well. So like I said, click that link. Make sure you mash that subscribe button, mash that like button if you guys found some value in this video. And we'll see you guys tomorrow on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.